FILE896 is going to hide level pack data in 128 by 128 chunks around the border of an image like this. Let's review the code. We need to know what those chunks mean. So in top-level constant macros, we have defined chunks 0 to 48 for the 49 chunks within our 7 by 7 grid of 128 by 128 chunks. Then we want to further distinguish what these generic chunk types mean. So we have chunk kind enums. These are the 13 chunks for the room data, the level data. And these 3 chunks are for, it's still level data, but it's very specific level data for cellular automata. And here we have 8 chunks for prefabrication data. And then we have a whole bunch of chunks. We have 25 chunks for the preview image in the center. And the top level variables, we got some lookup tables. So we have some explanations of what the different chunk names mean. And then down here, we have a lookup table that takes a C49 and converts it to a C49. So a generic chunk type to a generic chunk type. A very useless table, but it codifies what our data is used for. Then here we take a C49, convert it to L16. These are all C49 cells, but not all C49 cells are L16s. These cells here are L16 cells and C49 cells. C49 to PM8. So all of these are C49 cells, but only these cells are PM8 cells. C49 to T25, these are all C49 cells, but only these cells are T25 cells. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes and diagrams, and then down here is what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation of what all that means, you have to go here to the longer playlist. You're on the short playlist here. You can also have a technical demo here, source code here, email me here, like and subscribe. I'm Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO.